Today I would like to introduce the double belt conveyor. And this conveyor utilizes a coupling to synchronize the movement of two conveyors, reducing the space required for an additional motor and ensuring a more synchronized material transfer. Additionally, the conveyor belt is designed with the stainless steel buckle fasteners, simplifying the difficulty of belt replacement. This will prevent conveyor belts damage that could lead to downtime during production and can conveniently and rapidly replace the belt using the steel buckle fastening method. This approach allows for a continuously increase in the production efficiency. So if you have any questions with the conveyor, please let us know.